Hi friends, now we are going to see the problems based on blood relations. Here the problem is in a family in a family in a family there are 6 members. In a family there are 6 members. In a family there are 6 In a family there are 6 members A B C D E and F. A B C D E F. A B C D E F. A and B are married couple. A and B are A and B are married couple. A and B are married couple. A being the member of A being the member of D. A and B are married couple. A being the male member. A being the male member. A being the male member. D is the only son of C. D is the only son of C. D is the only son of C. Who is the brother of A? Who is the brother of A? Who is the brother of A? So E is the sister of D. So E is the sister of D. E is the sister of D and B is the daughter-in-law of F. And B is the daughter-in-law. B is the daughter-in-law of F whose husband died. Whose husband died. Now how F is related to? Now the conclusions here are, the first conclusion here is, how is F related to A? How is F related? How is F related to A? How is E? How is E related to C? How is C to B? How is C to B? And fourth one is, how is F related to C? How is F related to C? And fifth one is, how many male members are there in family? How many male members are there in family? Now see here, in a family there are 6 members, A, B, C, D and E and F. Okay, A and B are married couple. A and B are married couple. Here A ఇక్కడ clear cut గా ఇచ్చింది. A being the male number, so here A is a plus, B is a minus. Now D is the only son of C. D is the only son of C. Now see here, D is the only son of C. Okay, D is the only son of C. D will be the plus. Now D is the only son of C and C is the brother of A. C is the brother of A. Now C is related to A as brother. Okay, C related to A as C is the brother of A. Now C also plus, C related to A as brother. C is the brother of A. Now and so E is the sister of D. Now here E is the sister of D. E is the sister of D. Now he has minus. Now E is the sister of D, and B is the daughter-in-law of F. B is the daughter-in-law of F. B is the daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law means minus. Okay, daughter-in-law. B is the daughter-in-law of F. Now we got the diagram. And whose husband is dead, and F husband is dead. Now see here, how is F related to A? How is F related to A? A is a male, B is the female, and A is a male, B is the female, and B's daughter-in-law is F. Now see here, how is B related to F? Now B is the daughter-in-law of F. B is the daughter-in-law of B is the daughter-in-law of F. Daughter-in-law of F means husband's, here it is female, husband's mother will become mother will become mother-in-law. Now B to F relation is daughter-in-law. So now A is related to F as mother. Okay, now the answer here is mother. Okay, A's mother is related to B as B calls A's F calls A's wife as F calls A's wife as daughter-in-law. Okay, here F is related to B as daughter-in-law, so that the relation between A and F is as mother. Okay, now how is E related to C? E is related to C as E's brother is D, and brother's father will become father. Now here the answer is father. How C is related to B? Because C ela relate avutundi B ki. C is related to B as C's brother is A. Now brother's wife will become as here C, and how is C is related to B? C's brother is A. A's wife is B. Okay, now here brother's wife will become sister-in-law. Okay, sister-in-law. Okay, sister-in-law. Now here how is F related to C? How is F is related to C? Here see here, how is F related to C? Here F is related to C as if A's mother is F. Okay, mother's brother will be as uncle. Okay, mother's brother as uncle. Okay, mother's brother or something. Wait, I will not getting. Okay, wait. See here. Sorry. Here, if see here, F is related to A as A's mother is F. So that now here the question is, how is F related to C? Here A's mother is F means already C's his mother is also means A and B are both are brothers. A and C are both are brothers. So that how C is related to F as also mother. Okay, right? F is related to C as mother. Okay, F is related to A ki F mother ainappudu C ki kuda F mother avutundi. So both are brothers, right? Okay. How many male members are there in the family? See here, 1, 2, 3. Total 3 male members are there in the family. Total 3 male members are there in the family. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe.